In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your cursor in Wix Studio. This is a fantastic way to add a unique touch to your website and enhance the user experience, making your site not only functional, but also visually engaging. Let's dive right into how you can make this exciting change. First things first, open up the Wix Studio editor on your computer. If you've already got a page or a specific element in mind for your custom cursor, go ahead and select it now. This sets the stage for the changes you're about to make. Once you have your target in focus, direct your attention to the top right corner of the editor, where you'll find the Open Inspector arrow. This is a handy tool that gives you access to various customization options for your website elements. With the Inspector panel now open, start scrolling down until you spot the section labeled Cursor. This is where the magic happens. You'll find a button labeled Change Media. Give that a click. Here, Wix Studio offers you two great options for customizing your cursor. You can choose a cursor from the Wix Studio Gallery, which offers a variety of pre-designed cursors that you can immediately apply. However, if you're looking to bring a personal touch to your site, you can upload your own custom SVG file by clicking Upload Media. This option allows you to infuse your website with your brand's unique personality by using a cursor that aligns perfectly with your theme or vibe. Once you've selected or uploaded the cursor that best represents your website, click Add to Site. This step ensures that your choice is applied to your site. But wait, there's more. If you want this new cursor to be consistent across your entire site, there's a great shortcut to make that happen. Simply press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the elements on your current page. With everything highlighted, add your new cursor to all these elements with a single click. Alternatively, you can specify that the cursor applies to the entire page right from the Inspector panel. Now that the hard work is done, it's time to preview your changes. Head to the preview mode or publish your site to see your new cursor in action. This is a great opportunity to check that everything displays correctly and meets your expectations. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom cursor to your Wix site, enhancing its interactive quality and visual appeal. Thank you for following along today. And be sure to explore other enhancements you can make to your Wix site for an even more captivating user experience.